back to the drawing board. Meaning, starting over with a new plan after a failure. After their first marketing campaign didn't attract the expected audience, the team had to go back to the drawing board and rethink their strategy. Bite the bullet. Meaning, enduring an unavoidable, difficult situation. Despite her fear of public speaking, she had to bite the bullet and deliver the keynote address, knowing it was crucial for her career advancement. Break the ice. Meaning, initiating conversation to ease social tension. At the start of the workshop, the facilitator told a funny story to break the ice and help everyone relax before diving into the main content. Burn the midnight oil. Meaning, working late into the night to complete a task. With the project deadline looming, she had to burn the midnight oil for several nights to ensure that all the details were meticulously completed. By the book. Meaning, strictly adhering to rules and procedures. The new manager insisted that all company policies be followed by the book to avoid any potential issues or misunderstandings. Bite off more than you can chew. Meaning, taking on more tasks than one can handle. When he agreed to head both the annual conference and the product launch simultaneously, he quickly realized he had bitten off more than he could chew. Beat around the bush. Meaning, avoiding direct discussion of the main issue. Instead of addressing the problem directly, she kept beating around the bush, making it difficult for the team to understand her real concerns. Better late than never. Meaning, preferable to do something late than not at all. Although the company's response to the customer complaints came several weeks later, it was better late than never, and the customers appreciated the effort. Bring home the bacon. Meaning, earning a living or providing financial support. After years of hard work and dedication in her career, she successfully brings home the bacon, supporting her family and achieving financial stability. Bury the hatchet. Meaning, reconciling and making peace after a conflict. After years of tension, the two former friends decided to bury the hatchet and rebuild their relationship, realizing the importance of moving past old grievances. Hello, and welcome to my channel. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more videos.